Hey guys, LJ here, and I wanted to share with you this beautiful compact little jewelry carrying case. If you want to carry your jewelry, you're going on a trip and you just have a few pieces that you want to put in a nice secure case, this is a great case for that. This is by CMD, or Certified Moissanite Diamonds. It is on Amazon. They have some absolutely beautiful jewelry. They sent me over this diamond as a gift to test and review, as well as this little case. And if you were going to gift a piece of jewelry from them, I would absolutely recommend picking up the little carrying case to go with it. They have such great presentation with their things, but this will carry just a couple of rings and a little few other pieces in there, like a necklace over on the side, a couple of rings here, and then it has a nice secure zipper on this. This is a very secure nylon type material here, and then you have a great little, I think this is called a D-ring, or I don't know what you call these, has the little clasp there that you can hook this inside a bag and secure it into a bag so that you're not losing your jewelry. It would be nice and secure. It comes with a cleaning cloth as well. And then they always throw in, and I think this is just the coolest little touch, a luxury perfume oil. This one is the Oud Ispahan by Dior is the original brand of this. I don't know if this is a little sample of that or if this is just a scented oil to resemble that smell. It smells amazing is what I can tell you, and it's the cutest little case of perfume oil. So if you're traveling, this is a great little thing. You don't have to carry your big jugs of perfume at all. Just carry this little oil and it smells heavenly. And you've got your carrying case. If you are going to purchase a piece of jewelry for someone, this little nice carrying case is a great option to add in and just add that finishing touch. I would absolutely recommend. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.